I've always loved biology. I think what could be more interesting than understanding life itself? I'm Anjali, I'm a robobiologist at the Australian Centre for Robotic Vision at QUT. I studied physics, chemistry, maths and biology, and then I have a master's in biotechnology and business, and then a PhD in orthopedics, where I looked at the progression of a degenerative disease called arthritis. During my PhD, I spent a lot of time in hospitals where I saw surgeons operating and interacted with them on a daily basis. I realized that understanding biological systems and my experience in the clinical and healthcare setting could help inform how medical systems could adopt robots. We want to give surgeons affordable, precise tools and robotic systems that they can use in surgeries to enhance their abilities so they can perform surgeries in a more precise manner. It's very important that the community understands the potential of robotics and AI. I think it's only then we will be able to kind of win their confidence and be able to use them in the wider community. And in healthcare, I think it'll have a really large impact and improve the quality of life of people. Technology is constantly redefining how we play and interact in this beautiful world around us, but it also poses challenges in a way that we've never imagined. I believe that solutions to some of these greatest challenges are at the intersection of many research fields. So we work with industrial designers, mechanical engineers, mathematicians, roboticists, and I'm a biologist. So we have people from many different fields who come together, and we really respect each other's fields and understand the intricacies that holds us all together. So by bringing in people from different fields, we broaden or enhance our understanding of the problem, which allows us to solve them. I dream of a future where I see robots and humans all working together.